Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to Thailand VIP Travels, where we take you on a journey across the globe, exploring the most breathtaking destinations. I'm Sophie, your travel companion on this exhilarating adventure. December, a month that conjures images of snow-dusted towns, twinkling lights, and a festive spirit that warms even the chilliest soul. But for some, the allure lies elsewhere, in the gentle caress of warm sun on your skin and the sound of waves lapping at pristine beaches. The beauty of December is that it truly caters to all travel desires. Do you dream of a picture-perfect Christmas market, complete with steaming mugs of cocoa and the scent of roasted chestnuts? Or perhaps you crave the tranquility of a sun-drenched escape far from the holiday frenzy. This curated list offers the best of both worlds, serving as your springboard to an unforgettable December adventure. From the legendary ski slopes of Zermatt to the idyllic Caribbean shores of Anguilla, we've got you covered. So grab your metaphorical Santa hat or swimsuit and get ready to embark on a December journey that perfectly suits your wanderlust. Let's talk about the Phuket. Pure white sands, aquamarine waters, and limestone cliffs await travelers who visit Thailand's southwestern island of Phuket. Surrounded by the Andaman Sea and about an hour by plane from Bangkok, this island is a little piece of paradise, which comes with a relatively low price tag for everything from its accommodations to spa treatments and boat tours. But along with its tropical appeal, Phuket beckons to travelers wanting to experience its flavorful cuisine. Think lemongrass, lime leaves, chilies, and its rich culture heavily influenced by its reigning religion, Buddhism. Let's talk about the Aspen. Escape to Aspen, Colorado's crown jewel, and experience an unforgettable winter wonderland. Embrace the exhilaration of carving through pristine powder on world-class slopes. Aspen offers more than just skiing, however. Immerse yourself in breathtaking alpine vistas and a plethora of exciting activities. Hike through invigorating snow, taking your breath away with both exertion and scenery. Alternatively, experience the thrill of tubing with friends and family, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Let's talk about the Quebec City. Quebec City, the capital of the Canadian province Quebec, dwelled in the shadow of its neighbor, Montreal, for a long time, but the 2008 celebration of its 400th birthday catapulted Quebec City back into the spotlight. Since then, travelers have flocked here to experience this UNESCO World Heritage Site's charm for themselves. Upon passing through the fortified walls of Old Quebec, you'll discover a world straight out of a European painting. 18th and 19th century buildings house bakers, bistros, and boutiques, while cobbled squares are drowned by a sea of cafe tables. And around every corner, a piece of Quebec City's rich heritage awaits discovery. Let's talk about the Torres del Paine National Park. Nestled in southern Chilean Patagonia, this national park offers travelers a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Hailed among hikers as one of the most scenic destinations in the world, the park is home to turquoise lakes and dense forests, plus massive Grey Glacier and the towering granite of Corneves del Paine. December offers up to 17 hours of daylight, allowing plenty of time for extensive hikes. But even though December is part of Patagonia's peak summer season, temperatures drop dramatically after nightfall, so visitors will want to pack layers. Let's talk about the Azores, Portugal. Adventure awaits in the Azores, a hidden gem nestled amidst the vast Atlantic. This volcanic archipelago beckons thrill-seekers with experiences unlike any other. Imagine rappelling down cascading waterfalls, hiking the rim of a colossal caldera, or even venturing inside a volcano's chimney and secondary magma chamber, a feat only possible on Terceira Island. While tourism has begun to discover the Azores' magic, winter offers a unique opportunity. Escape the crowds and experience an untouched paradise reminiscent of Eden. The Azores defy expectations, boasting balmy year-round temperatures thanks to the Gulf Stream. Though a winter swim might be a bit bracing, trade the ocean for a soak in a naturally heated geothermal hot spring, a truly unforgettable experience. Let's talk about the Switzerland. Switzerland transforms into a winter wonderland in December, boasting city squares dusted with snow and mountainsides morphing into the world's best ski slopes. Choosing just one destination can be difficult, so why not embark on a magical journey aboard the Glacier Express? This iconic 8-hour train ride connects two of Switzerland's most renowned mountain resorts, Zermatt, home to the majestic Matterhorn, and Street Moritz, a luxurious ski paradise. But the true magic lies in the journey itself. Panoramic windows unveil a cinematic display of the Swiss Alps as the Glacier Express traverses over 290 bridges and chugs past iconic landmarks like the Oberalp Pass. Three-course meals served on board ensure you can fully soak in the captivating scenery without a single rumbling tummy interrupting the experience.